Welcome back to AutoBuzz TV, your home for the latest, coolest, and craziest rides on the planet. If you're passionate about innovation and cutting-edge design, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today's feature is something you've never seen before. Imagine a world where your home on wheels is compact, ultra-modern, and runs on 3 wheels. Meet the 2026 Futuristic Camper Tricycle RV, a revolutionary concept that's set to redefine what it means to travel light, smart, and in style. This isn't your grandpa's camper. With a sleek aerodynamic body, the 2026 Camper Trike combines the freedom of a motorcycle with the comfort and functionality of a mini RV. Built for the modern adventurer, this futuristic trike is fully electric, boasting a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge thanks to its advanced graphene battery system. Recharge times: just under an hour with fast charging capabilities. The design screams innovation. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame ensures durability without sacrificing speed. Large panoramic windows provide an unbeatable 360-degree view, perfect for catching sunsets or stargazing right from your parked trike. Plus, the smart glass technology can tint automatically to reduce glare or offer complete privacy at the push of a button. Now, let's talk about the living space. Yes, there's a real living space inside this futuristic beast. Slide open the side panel, and you step into a compact yet cleverly designed interior. It includes a fold-out bed, a small kitchenette with an induction stove, a mini fridge, and even a modular bathroom unit that expands when needed. Every inch is optimized for functionality, giving you everything you need without feeling cramped. And of course, it's packed with smart features. Voice-activated controls handle lighting, climate, and even security. The onboard AI system can suggest scenic routes, find nearby campsites, and optimize energy use to extend your range. Plus, solar panels integrated into the roof constantly recharge the battery while you're out exploring. On the road, the 2026 Camper Trike is a true performer. Thanks to its dynamic 3-wheel configuration and self-balancing tech, it offers a smooth, stable ride whether you're cruising highways or taking on rugged backroads. The electric motor delivers instant torque, giving it impressive acceleration for a vehicle of its class. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. The trike comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, and an all-around camera system to make maneuvering a breeze, even in tight spots. The 2026 Futuristic Camper Tricycle RV isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement for the modern nomad. Compact, powerful, smart, and environmentally friendly, it's tailor-made for those who crave adventure without compromise. Thanks for riding along with us today at AutoBuzz TV. If you loved this glimpse into the future of travel, smash that like button, share the video with your fellow adventurers, and drop a comment telling us where you'd take this amazing camper first. Don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic rides and epic vehicle reviews. Catch you on the next one.